The front gates are the main entrance for any guest coming to your house, so always welcome a guest through the front gate. This is the main reason why the front gate should be awesome. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Home Decor Ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you the latest trending and amazing new gate design ideas. So watch the full video and also hit on like button for YouTube algorithm. If you like my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel, because on this channel I bring many videos about home decoration ideas. A gate is a point of entry to a space which is enclosed by walls. Gate may prevent or control the entry of any house. A gate may have a latch that can be raised and lowered to both open a gate or prevent it from swinging. Large gates can be used for a whole building, such as a castle. Today, many gate doors are opened by an automated remote control operator. We naturally notice the gates even before seeing the house, as are commonly stated phrases. The first impression is the last impression, so that is why what any house gate stands for. The structure and feel of the doorway is toned rightly can grant your house a majestic appeal. The simple gate design ideas crafted for small houses consist of two essential qualities. Usually, entry barriers match the texture of the house. If you look closely, the textured white design at the side of the wooden piece is similar to that of the window pane. Such entryways tend to complement the house frames and contribute to its splendor appeal. An idea to incorporate within your design so your entryways look a part of your home and not a misfit. I hope with that we have possibly covered all the trending modern simple gate design ideas. Maybe you should merge these ideas and create an innovative one of your own, but these are undoubtedly the best ones we could list down. A gate can make an opening statement and offer a first impression of your home. It's like the front door for your entire property. The perfect gate blends with your home architecture design, using similar or complementary material connected to a fence or standing alone. A gate combines home and function, providing another layer of safety, whether it's keeping kids and pets contained in the yard, carrying more privacy. Garden gates receive a lots of views, opening, closing, taking you from outside to inside or more public part of your property to private space. A gate can be designed as a welcoming structure, hinting at a beautiful garden awaiting. I hope that you like all these design for main gate design ideas. I again request to all of you, please hit on like button for YouTube algorithm, and if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. I am very thankful to all of you, those who watch my video at the very end, because it is a great spot for me, so that which increase the value of my YouTube channel. Thanks again. Thank you for watching the video.